Do you know what an OCD episode looks like? I'll walk you through what an obsessive compulsive disorder or OCD episode looks like. So let's get started. OCD often starts with obsessions. These are intrusive thoughts, images, or urges that cause a lot of anxiety. They're like uninvited guests in your mind showing up again and again no matter how much you want them to go away. These thoughts can range from fears of contamination to worries about harm coming to loved ones. But what exactly is happening in the brain during an OCD episode? Research shows that OCD is linked to abnormalities in certain brain circuits, particularly in areas like the orbital frontal cortex, the anterior cingulate cortex, and the striatum. These areas are responsible for decision making, error detection, and processing fear. In someone with OCD, these brain circuits become overactive, making it difficult to dismiss intrusive thoughts. This overactivity triggers a strong need to perform compulsions to try and neutralize the anxiety. So, to try and ease this anxiety, people with OCD may turn to compulsions. These are repetitive actions or mental rituals performed to reduce the fear brought on by obsessions. But these behaviors only offer temporary relief. The thoughts come back and the cycle continues. And imagine how exhausting that must be. Feeling compelled to wash your hands dozens of times or check the door over and over and over. Living with OCD can feel like being trapped. It's not just about wanting things to be neat or organized. It's about managing overwhelming fears and the intense urge to perform rituals to feel safe. The person experiencing this may feel isolated, misunderstood, or ashamed. But it's important to know that they are not alone. There is hope. Treatments like cognitive behavior therapy, CBT, particularly exposure and response prevention, ERP, and medication can help reduce the overactivity in those brain circuits, making it easier to manage thoughts and resist compulsions. With the right support, people with OCD can lead fulfilling lives. If you or someone you know might be struggling, reach out. Help is available and you are not alone in this journey. Remember, understanding is the first step toward compassion and can make all the difference to someone struggling with OCD. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share. It really means a lot. And as always, let's keep spreading kindness and understanding because together we can make a real difference. So take care and I'll see you next time.